Edo Governor Omobayo don reassure in strong support for growth and development of the Nigerian Institution of Surveyors for the country. He reaffirmed this commitment through Deputy Engineer Marvelous Omobayo for the opening of the 58th Annual General Meeting and Conference wey shele for Benin City with the theme Geospatial Information Technology in the Era of Artificial Intelligence. Omobayo tok say Nigerian Institution of Surveyors na one of the ogbonge professional bodies for the country and stress on top say Edo State dey do every to lift the profession and say the support na part of the state commitment to make sure say the institution dey front for using technology to collect and analyse data wey concern the earth surface.
Geospatial information technology in the era of AI, artificial intelligence. The layman's understanding what it suggests is the convention or the manual approach you have deployed over several decades. This thing suggests to you that there is now a new tool. I think that is all what it's about. How you are going to map what you are doing in terms of capturing both data, visuals, and everything in such a manner that it's not going to be one you keep in archives like drawers where you say, oh, there was rainfall or something. No, you can even keep them on iCloud. It's more artificial intelligence as it suggests. So I'm sure it is the younger ones that will benefit more.
Surveyor Matthew Ibitoye, wey be the Presido of Nigerian Institution of Surveyors, highlight the critical role wey geospatial information technology dey play for the profession to enable complete data interpretation and analysis. While Surveyor Odaro Igbinovia, wey be Chairman of Edo State Chapter, salute the achievement wey the institution don get for the 90 years wey don dey exist. In Costi talk say,
this year AGM is a record-breaking event in terms of attendance, with over 4,000 delegates, making it the largest gathering in the history of our institution.
This year's conference theme, Geospatial Information in the Era of Artificial Intelligence, reflects our commitment in leveraging advanced techniques to address the pressing challenges of our time.
The keynote speaker, Professor Lilian Salami, wey dey represented by Professor Adesina Ayinde, for his speech, talk say,
geospatial technology can play an important role in maximizing the productivity and overall effectiveness of responsive efforts. For example, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) uses various applications of geospatial technology to respond to environmental threats.
For the occasion, they honor some ogbonge persons, including Governor Godwin Obaseki, with awards of excellence. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.